What is up, everyone? We are back with another Flight Sim 24 video. We're going to be taking this 777 from Tokyo Haneda to Los Angeles, and we have a scheduled flight time of about 9 hours and 30 minutes. We'll be crossing the North Pacific Ocean and then into California. We have a distance of 5,000 nautical miles. So we're going to go ahead and stop talking, and we're going to get in this jet, and we're going to make this flight happen. And I'll see you guys in just a moment.
If I do this every day, I set up. How many times she walk away, but so often it's down to do it.
Alrighty, it is time for pushback, and as you guys know, We are going to be departing from 34 left. Now, usually I'll be taking off from the other side of the airport, but we ain't going to do that today. But man, favorite part of the flight, guys, starting the engines and spooling up on takeoff. So I'm ready, and I hope you guys are ready too. Finishing up our flight control test, and we'll be well on our way to Los Angeles. Now, in real life, they operate their flight with a 787. But like I've said this in the past, I would love to fly the 787, but the plane is very unstable. And I'm still actually currently trying to learn how to fly the A330. So once I get A330, once I learn how to fly it, then I will excuse me, I will do a video on it. But I'm more of a Boeing person, really, so I'm pretty sure y'all kind of picked up that by now, just from my videos. But let's go ahead and over to our runway.
Airspeed alive. 80 knots.
V1.
Rotate. V2. Positive rate.
Bank angle.
4-hour descent into Los Angeles. Well, first we're going to slow the plane down, and then we'll start with our descent. So this approach is a little odd. We will be flying over the city. You guys will be getting a city view. But bro, like, the Iron Man approach, I don't really like it. It's not, well, it's cool, but I don't like how I have to, like, watch out for the mountains and stuff. Which, I mean, yeah, I have to watch out for the mountains. But it's like I have to do this turn, and I don't know, it's just weird. When we get there, yeah, y'all see what I'm talking about.
2,500. One thousand. $500. $400. Glide 300. Glide slow. 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 100. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. 5.
Welcome to Los Angeles, everyone. The time is now, I don't even know the time actually. Dang it. I could look on the iPad, but I'm too busy trying to get off the runway here. Wait. I think I'm playing with live players too, matter of fact. So there might be someone else coming in to land or something, I don't know. But wow, look at this United Airlines 777, man. You know, I would argue, I prefer the other United livery, you know, the one with the gold stripe. I like that one way better because, I mean, I don't know. The gold with this 777 looks amazing. I don't know why I said it like that. Yep, but I bring you guys to Los Angeles. All right, shut off the taxi lights. You know, I actually do need to get in the habit of like turning on the APU. I mean, it's on right now, but you know, like when I just a few minutes after I land, because I'm not able to complete my checklist if I shut down both the engines. And if not, I'd have to turn on the APU at the gate and leave one of the engines on. Yeah, I don't have to do that. I don't have to kill people with the engine now. We don't want to do that. But we're now parked up at the gate. Parking brake set. Shut down engine number 1. We're going to shut off the hydraulics. Well, the fuel pumps first, actually. Let's do that first. But I want to thank you guys for joining me on this amazing trip. We'll be doing another one like this. So, you know, if you enjoy seeing it, make sure you subscribe. And if you don't do it, there will be issues later. And that won't be good for you guys, right? Okay, but all right, anyways, that's going to be the end. And I'll see you guys in our next one.